CNC complaint. I'm Sonia. Today, I will continue to introduce our complaint to you. This is our optical and mechanical assembly workshop of Building B. The first place we see that, which is persist casting, which is our original casting.
After the casting process is completed, our production personnel will assemble various parts such as scroll rod and guide rails. Even a small screw is carefully tightened. The shapes you see are all filled with our component. In addition, each of our workshops has strict assembly standards in place. We require strict adherence to the above instruction for each assembly step. Ensure the quality and performance of the machine.
Due to the limited time, if you are interested in our complaint, please follow our account. We will see you again next time.